told you that in just 7 days, your own reflection could stop feeling familiar? Not because you did anything drastic, but because you finally decided to stop being the background character in your own story. By day 7, strangers won't recognize you. Friends will do a double take, and honestly, you might catch yourself staring in the mirror a little longer than usual, wondering who this glowing, put-together woman is. Stay till the end, because day 5 is the one nobody talks about, and it's the one that changes everything. This is a full 7-day reset. Mind, body, face, energy, everything. Grab your notes app, because we're starting right now with day 1. Forget everything you think a glow-up requires. Today isn't about makeup or a new wardrobe, it's about clearing space, both physically and mentally. Because clutter quietly steals energy you don't even realize you're losing. Start with your bathroom shelf. Pull everything off it and sort into 3 piles: expired, unused, and actually loved. Toss the first 2 without guilt. That half-empty bottle of something you bought on a whim 2 years ago isn't sentimental. It's just sitting there making your space feel heavier than it needs to. A clean, simple shelf with only products you reach for daily changes how your morning routine feels before you even touch your face. Next, drink a full glass of water the second you wake up, before coffee, before checking your phone, before anything else touches your lips. This sounds small, almost too simple to matter, but your body has been without fluids for hours, and rehydrating first thing sets the tone for your skin, your energy, and your focus for the rest of the day. Keep a water bottle visible on your desk or nightstand, so refilling becomes automatic instead of something you have to remember. Then comes the mirror moment, and this is the part people skip because it feels uncomfortable. Stand in front of a mirror, look directly at yourself, and instead of scanning for flaws like most of us default to, name 3 things you genuinely like. Maybe it's your eyes, maybe it's the shape of your smile, maybe it's something as simple as your hands. This feels strange the first time, almost forced. But repetition rewires how you see yourself, and that shift matters more than any product you'll use this week. Close the day by setting a bedtime a full hour earlier than your usual. Write it down if you have to. Real transformation, the kind that actually shows on your face and in your posture, starts with rest, not with another late night spent scrolling through everyone else's curated highlight reel while your own life waits for you to log off. Day 2. Today we're building the foundation nobody skips. Skincare that actually respects your skin, instead of punishing it into submission. Keep your morning routine to 4 honest steps. A gentle cleanser that doesn't strip your face, a hydrating serum suited to your skin type, a moisturizer that locks that hydration in, and sunscreen. Non-negotiable, rain or shine. That's the whole routine. No 15-step regimen borrowed from someone whose skin has nothing in common with yours. No random viral hack promising overnight miracles. Cut sugary drinks completely today. Sodas, sweetened coffees, anything loaded with syrup you didn't ask for. Swap them for water infused with lemon slices or cucumber, something that still feels like a treat without the crash and inflammation that follows sugar. Your skin reacts to what you feed it long before it ever reacts to what you layer on top of it, and this one swap alone can noticeably calm redness and puffiness within days. Tonight, add a light facial massage before bed, just 2 minutes, using upward strokes along your jaw, cheeks, and forehead. You can use your moisturizer as slip, no special tools required. This small habit boosts circulation, softens tension you're probably holding without noticing, and gives your face that lifted, awake appearance that no amount of concealer can fully fake. Before you sleep, journal 1 honest sentence. What made today feel lighter than yesterday? Keep this practice going every night this week, because by the end, you'll have a written record of exactly what's changing. Day 3. Halfway through the first stretch, and today we wake the body up after 2 quieter, internal days. Commit to 20 minutes of movement, whatever genuinely feels good right now. A brisk walk outside, dancing around your room, or a short home workout you already know. This isn't about burning a specific number of calories, it's about circulation, posture, and the natural Flush skincare brands charge $40 to fake. Check your posture in the mirror afterward. Shoulders rolled back and down, chin lifted slightly, spine long instead of collapsed forward. Posture alone changes how people perceive you before you've said a single word. Make sure protein shows up at every meal: eggs, chicken, lentils, whatever fits your lifestyle and budget. Your hair, skin, and nails are literally built from what you eat, not from what you post online. Before bed, pick tomorrow's outfit and lay it out. Decision fatigue quietly drains willpower you'll need later, and removing 1 small choice tonight frees up mental space for tomorrow. Day 4. Today isn't physical, it's mental. And honestly, it's the hardest one on this list. Unfollow or mute at least 5 accounts that consistently make you feel smaller or quietly inadequate. This isn't dramatic, it's protective, since what you consume daily shapes your self-image more than most people admit. Practice saying no to one thing that drains you today, a plan you've been dreading, a conversation that exhausts you, a habit you've outgrown. Boundaries aren't cold, they're self-respect, and they get easier every time you exercise the muscle. Stand taller without forcing it. Speak slightly slower, giving your words room to land. Hold eye contact 1 extra second longer than feels comfortable. Confidence is a skill built through repetition, not something you're simply born with. Before bed, write down 1 compliment you'd genuinely love to hear, then spend tomorrow quietly becoming the person who earns it, for yourself, not for an audience. Day 5. Here it is, the day nobody talks about. Today is about your voice, literally. Record yourself talking for 30 seconds about anything, then listen back. Most people cringe the first time, but this exercise rewires how you present yourself and carry an actual conversation. Unrecognizable isn't only visual. People remember how a conversation with you made them feel just as vividly as how you looked walking in. Practice introducing yourself with a touch more warmth. Notice how differently the same words land when said with confidence and eye contact, compared to mumbled at your shoes. Pair this inner work with 1 small visual boost, a slightly bolder lip or a more defined brow. Visual and vocal confidence together compound faster than either alone. Day 6. Small things, genuinely big difference. Whiten your smile naturally with strips or a whitening toothpaste you already own. It reads instantly as more youthful and approachable. Groom your brows, even lightly, cleaning up strays and defining the shape. Framing your face properly changes your entire look without altering a single actual feature. Give your nails attention too, even a simple clean manicure counts. Hands get noticed more than most people assume, especially while talking or gesturing. Try the hairstyle you've been saving in your inspiration folder, but never attempted a half up, a deep side part, a slick low bun. Today's the day you stop saving it for later. Day 7. This is it. The day everything from the past 6 days finally comes together. Move through your full skincare routine slowly and deliberately, like you actually enjoy it, because by now you probably do. Wear the outfit planned on day 3, style the hair practiced on day 6, add the bolder lip or defined brow from day 5. Stand in front of the mirror 1 final time. Notice your posture from day 3, the calmer energy built since day 4, how a week of small, unglamorous choices quietly built something bigger than any single dramatic makeover ever could. Walk out that door and watch how people respond, a genuine double take, a friend asking what's different, your own reflection catching you off guard in a store window. That's 7 days of consistently choosing yourself, quietly, without waiting for anyone's permission to begin. And that's the full 7 days, lovelies. Not a filter, not a procedure, just small, unglamorous choices stacked on top of each other until the woman in the mirror actually feels like an upgrade you gave yourself. If you're really doing this challenge, comment GLOW right now so I know you're locked in. Share this video with a friend who needs to hear it. Screenshot day 5 before you forget it, because that's the one people always skip, and it's the one that quietly changes how others remember you long after they've forgotten your outfit. You'll be amazed by how different you can feel and look after just 1 week. Save this video, you'll want it again on day 4, when motivation dips and quitting suddenly feels easier than continuing. If you want the extended version next, a full skincare product list, a workout breakdown, and a printable checklist you can actually stick on your mirror, tell me in the comments and I'll put it together for you. I make videos like this every week, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for spending 7 days choosing yourself alongside me, one small decision at a time. See you in the next one, lovelies.